Welcome to Invest and Empower. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Building and selling digital products. Building and selling digital products is an effective way to monetize your YouTube channel. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Identify your expertise and audience. Determine your area of expertise and understand the needs and interests of your YouTube audience. This will help you create digital products that align with their interests and provide value. Evaluate your skills and knowledge. Start by assessing your skills, knowledge, and passions. Consider the areas in which you have expertise, whether it's related to a particular industry, hobby, profession, or skill set. Think about the topics you enjoy discussing or teaching others about. Engage with your viewers. Interact with your audience through comments, community posts, and social media platforms. Pay attention to the questions they ask, the topics they are interested in, and the feedback they provide. This can provide valuable insights into their needs and preferences. Conduct market research. Research your niche or industry to identify gaps or opportunities. Look for existing products or content in your field and determine how you can offer something unique or different. Identify the pain points or challenges your audience faces and consider how your expertise can address those needs. Seek feedback and input. Engage with your audience directly by asking for their input and feedback. Conduct surveys, polls, or Q&A sessions to understand their preferences, interests, and what they would like to learn or gain from your digital products. Look for trends and demand. Stay updated on industry trends, popular topics, and emerging interests. Monitor online forums, social media discussions, and keyword research tools to identify topics that are in high demand and have the potential to attract a wide audience. Choose a digital product format. Consider different types of digital products you can create, such as ebooks, online courses, templates, presets, stock photos or videos, software, music, graphics, or any other digital assets that can be valuable to your audience. Plan and create your digital product. Outline the content and structure of your digital product. Create high-quality and valuable content that addresses the pain points or challenges of your audience. Leverage your expertise and deliver content that is unique and actionable. Design and packaging. Ensure your digital product has an appealing design and user-friendly layout. Consider using professional design tools or hiring a graphic designer to create an attractive visual presentation. Packaging your digital product in an aesthetically pleasing way can increase its perceived value. Set a competitive price. Research the market and determine a competitive price for your digital product. Consider factors such as the value provided, the quality of the content, and the pricing of similar products in your niche. You can also offer different pricing tiers or bundles to cater to different customer preferences. Here are some popular platforms that can help you sell your digital products. Gumroad. Gumroad is a user-friendly platform that allows you to sell various types of digital products, including ebooks, courses, music, software, and more. It provides features like customizable landing pages, payment processing, customer management, and analytics. Gumroad is known for its simplicity and is a popular choice for creators of all kinds. Teachable. If you're planning to create and sell online courses, Teachable is a platform specifically designed for course creators. It offers robust course creation tools, customization options, secure payment processing, student management features, and marketing integrations. Teachable allows you to build a professional-looking course website and provides a seamless learning experience for your students. Podia. Podia is an all-in-one platform for selling digital products, including online courses, memberships, and digital downloads. It provides features for creating landing pages, hosting your content, processing payments, and managing customers. Podia also offers email marketing tools and integration with third-party platforms to enhance your marketing efforts. Sells. Sells is a platform that enables you to sell digital products, physical products, and services. It offers features like customizable storefronts, secure payment processing, order management, and built-in marketing tools. Sells supports various file types and allows you to deliver your digital products instantly to your customers. Shopify. Although primarily known as an e-commerce platform for physical products, Shopify can also be used to sell digital products. It provides a wide range of features for creating an online store, managing inventory, processing payments, and integrating with other tools and apps. Shopify offers flexibility and scalability for growing your digital product business. WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a popular WordPress plugin that allows you to transform your WordPress website into an e-commerce store. It offers extensive customization options, payment gateways, inventory management, and various extensions to sell digital products effectively. WooCommerce provides flexibility and control over your online store's design and functionality. Sendal is a platform specifically focused on selling digital products. It offers features like secure file delivery, payment processing, affiliate management, and analytics. Sendal supports various file types and allows you to create bundles, subscriptions, and discounts to incentivize sales. Choose a sales platform. Select a platform to host and sell your digital products. There are various platforms available, such as Gumroad, Teachable, Podia, Sells, or even setting up your own e-commerce store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Create sales pages and product descriptions. Craft persuasive sales pages that highlight the benefits and features of your digital product. Clearly explain what the product offers, who it is for, and how it solves the audience's problem. Use compelling copywriting techniques and include testimonials or reviews to build trust. Promote your digital product. Leverage your YouTube channel and other marketing channels to promote your digital product. Create dedicated videos discussing your product, showcase excerpts or teasers, and provide links in the video description. Leverage social media platforms, your website or blog, email newsletters, and collaborations with other influencers in your niche to expand your reach. Create compelling sales pages. Design persuasive and visually appealing sales pages for your digital product. Clearly communicate the value proposition, features, and benefits of your product. Use compelling headlines, engaging visuals, customer testimonials, and persuasive copywriting techniques to convince potential buyers to make a purchase. Offer limited-time promotions. Create a sense of urgency by offering limited-time promotions or discounts for your digital product. Communicate the scarcity of the offer and emphasize the benefits of purchasing within the specified time frame. This can incentivize potential buyers to take action and make a purchase sooner. Collaborate with influencers. Identify influencers or content creators in your niche who have a similar target audience. Collaborate with them to promote your digital product through sponsored content, guest appearances, or reviews. This can help you tap into their audience and leverage their influence to generate sales. Engage in content marketing. Create valuable content related to your digital product and share it through blog posts, articles, or guest contributions on relevant websites or publications. Optimize your content for search engines to attract organic traffic and position yourself as an authority in your niche. Include links to your sales page or product within your content to drive traffic and generate leads. Utilize email marketing. Build an email list of interested prospects and potential customers. Offer a freebie or lead magnet related to your digital product to encourage signups. Use email marketing to nurture relationships, provide value, and promote your digital product to your subscribers. Craft compelling email campaigns that highlight the benefits and features of your product. Provide excellent customer support. Offer exceptional customer support to your buyers. Respond promptly to inquiries or issues. Provide clear instructions on accessing the product, and address any concerns your customers may have. Positive customer experiences can lead to positive reviews and referrals. Monitor performance and iterate. Continuously monitor the performance of your digital product. Track sales, customer feedback, and engagement metrics. Use this data to improve and iterate on your product, marketing strategies, and customer experience to maximize sales and customer satisfaction. Remember to comply with any applicable laws and regulations related to digital products, such as copyright laws or data protection regulations. Also, ensure you have the necessary rights and permissions for any third-party content used in your digital products. This is it for today's video. What do you think about our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.